2003 50th anniversary Chevrolet Corvette convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Two-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 53,764 on the odometer at the moment. Of course, anniversary red exterior, shale leather interior, bucket seats, shale convertible top. Take a look at the front face of this. I'd say awful nice shape. Paint shows well. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. No major nicks, dings, scratches. Yes, it's 53,000 miles. You have a few spots where previous owners taking care of the car and touched it up, a little touch-up paint, but overall, that is in some nice condition. Riding on the correct anniversary wheels, Michelin radials. Those wheels are in nice shape too. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a touch up here or there, but overall, again, showing very well. Of course, bucket seats, power bucket seats, selective ride, electronic dual climate control, AM, FM, CD, heads-up display in working order. Look at that, 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, the LS1 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Technician noted brakes are 70% in the rear, 80% in the front. Exhaust is complete from front to rear with catalytic converters. This car was also a museum delivery car. So they would have picked this up at Bowling Green, the first owner. And again, two-owner car, clean Carfax. Actual miles, 53,764, 53764. Check out the still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Corvettes, or you like Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. If you watched our videos before, Corvette videos, this is our best-selling model that we sell here as far as, I would probably say, overall, out of all the cars we sell, the 50th anniversary Corvette, definitely top 3, if not number 1. Why? Because they're darn nice cars. They're a lot of bang for the buck. Get into a nice handling, reliable, economical sports car without breaking the bank. Bose stereo system, of course, memory seating, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, again, power seats both sides. And check out the seating surfaces. Very nice condition, not all worn in the bolster, no rips, tears, holes. We should probably fire this up. Let you hear it run, and take a peek underneath the hood. Better check out the exact miles. Alright, there it is, 53764. Of course, heads-up display controls over here. Driver's information center there. You can see the heads-up display. There it is in front of me. Again, electronic dual climate control, AM, FM, CD player, dash, good shape. And again, selective ride control. Headlights, working order, no clicking gears. Slip around to the back here. I'll let you take a listen before we look at the engine bay. Nice sounding car. There's also a couple car covers that are going to go with it in the trunk, as well as some service manuals. We'll send those with too. Previous owner had them. Everything goes along with the car. Underside of the hood, also nice and tidy. Clean engine bay. There it is. Again, LS1 5.7 liter. Tech noted newer serpentine belt. This car is checked out excellent. You'll be able to see a report from the service tech in with the still pictures too if you want to look at it. But yeah, checked out very good. Back in our service department with the technician that took a peek at it. I will show you that convertible top and how it folds up. We'll check out the condition of it, show you it folding back down, and then stick around. Jason's going to take it for a drive. So I tell you what, let me get that top folded up and we'll go from there. Let's check out this convertible top. So shale fabric. Nice condition, nice fit above the windshield. Have the side glass rolled up so you can see how that fits also. Nice fit there, of course, the glass, the rear window with electric rear defog. Nice fit down along the body. Really no wear to this top much at all. No rips, tears, holes. Side glass passenger side. Also nice fit. And as you could see, very simple to fold up. I will show you it being folded back down. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. 2003 two-owner 50th anniversary Corvette. Clean Carfax. What, 53,764 was it per miles? Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let me show you that top folding back down, and we'll get Jason to take her for a drive. As easy as that.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, and we do have the top down today. This is a 6-speed manual transmission. A low-mile Corvette that feels like a low-mile Corvette. Handles very nicely. As you'd expect, very good acceleration. In 6th gear at 55 miles an hour. We're doing about 1,200 RPM, very low. Very good. The oil pressure is showing about 40 to 45 PSI, and the temperature 190 Fahrenheit. The battery is charging at 14 volts, and the fuel gauge is showing a half a tank. stereo sounds good. Comfortable leather bucket seats. If you're getting any wind noise, that is just the nature of driving a convertible. It's a beautiful day in Minnesota to drive around in the sunshine with the top down. Everything feels right. The steering's nice and tight and responsive. The brakes are nice and smooth. Most of your Corvettes are going to corner very well, and this is no different. Corner's nice and flat. Performance machine, you can tell. Take a look at all the pictures of this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.